3-point lead by lead, chopped down to 1. Manalang against Ariate. Manalang, outside pass, Victoria fakes the 3 against Malyapre. Isidro from the right wing, way up on that 3, rebound by Borbe. Camsur can take the lead here. Magpantay at the foul line, hangs in the air, air ball, battle for the rebound. Who gets it? And it's going to be Tikas ball.
Joseph Francisco coming in.
And now Francisco re-enters for Tikas. Manalang working against Ariate. Bounce pass to Lancer Can. Can, the drive inside. Can, the left-handed layup. Using the window for 2. Lancer Can delivering here to start the 4th 3-point lead. Ariate being pressured by Jasper Manalang. Magpantay to Malyapre. Ariate has it. 8 on the shot clock. Magpantay straight away 3. He got it. And we are tied at 64. Verman Magpantay with that 3 ball. We are tied at 64. They go inside to Victoria for Tikas against Malyapre. Turnaround. 100 is good. And so Victoria brings back the lead for Tikas. Ariate, bounce pass to Magpantay. Magpantay to Malyapre. Malyapre to Ariate with 8 on the shot clock. They go to Magpantay again. 3-point shot once again. Verman Magpantay, back-to-back 3s. Camsur back in front by 1. Manalang, pass to Victoria inside. He is fouled. He will shoot 2 free throws. So Victoria gaining the minutes. As we see Verman Magpantay nailing back-to-back 3s from that same spot. That straightaway 3. And now Renzo Victoria about to take 2 shots. Victoria again quiet because of those 4 fouls. He knocks down that first free throw. Again for Renzo Victoria in game 4, 8 points, 4 rebounds, 4 assists, 2 steals for the Magalang Pampanga native. Tikas reclaims the lead. Ariate has it. Ariate crosses the timeline, bounce pass to Magpantay. Abonete at the perimeter. Guarded by Francisco. He attacks. Spin move by Abonete. Turn around. Does not go. Francisco secures the rebound. Lancer Can sprinting his way to the front court. And Can will reset. Victoria second shot. 8 points for Renzo Victoria. Almario returns replacing Ariate. So now a bit of a small lineup for Camsur with Sablaon, Almario, and Magpantay at the front court. Almario loses it. Francisco has it. Manalang escapes. Sablaon kicks it out. Can for 3. No go. And Camsur, after that rebound by Borbe, they are running. Almario kicks it out to Sablaon. Sablaon, running shot, it drops. Sablaon with a running shot. That is his first 2 of the game. And Camsur back ahead. Victoria against Abonete, posting up. Victoria loses it. Sablaon with a steal. Sablaon escapes Manalang. Sablaon the drive, the layup is good. That's a base 3 for Bang Sablaon. And that's a huge one. 4-point lead for Camsur. Rivera being bothered by Almario. Rivera inside pass. Victoria triple teamed. Victoria goes up. And it draws a foul with 7 minutes and 57 seconds left in the ball game.
Number 22, Bang Sablaon. first 13 fouls.
Again, it's a 3-point lead for Kamsur. Running shot there by Almario, and then the quick basket, the blaze 3 by Bang Sablaon. And now Victoria misses on the free throw. He has been missing at the foul line. And you can hear the boost from the Kamsur fans. Victoria nails the free throw, making it a 2-point game. Santos is back replacing Renzo Victoria. And keep in mind, Nico Santos drained 3 3-point shots here in Game 5. Abonete, magpantay on top. Being guarded by Lancer Khan. Bounce pass inside to Abonete against Santos. 7 to shoot. Abonete in trouble. Passes it to Sablaon. 3 to shoot. Sablaon misses that bank shot. Almario, follow up. It's short. And the ball is loose. It's going to be off Tikas. Magpantay wants a challenge. Or Magpantay actually wants Tikas to challenge it. But Tikas not challenging it. Fresh 14 for Kamsur. Borde to Almario with 8 on the shot clock. Sablaon fires from the outside, off to the left. Tikas has it. They are down by 2 points. Gomez spin move, loses it. Santos recovers. Lancer Khan looking to attack outside to Santos. Shot clock at 8. They go back to Santos, back to Khan. 5 to shoot. Khan against Abonete, double team. Santos fires from the outside. It grazes the rim. And Kamsur with the ball, up by 2. Magpantay against Lancer Khan. They give it to Abonete. Almario with 10 on the shot clock against Gomez. They go to Magpantay. Fires, no go with that 3 ball. Gomez has it for Tikas. Nearly stripped by Almario, but Gomez recovers. And there's going to be a foul on Jerome Almario.
Foul number 19, Jerome Almario.
Now Jenmar Bragais is back for Tikas. Ariate is also back.
With 14 seconds on a shot clock.
Both teams not giving an inch. Gomez with the ball against Ariate. Gomez escapes. We have a foul. 2 free throws for Gomez. Tikas wants that shot to count. Referees converge. And they will review that one.
We review the last play.
Possible 3-point play for Tikas. Gomez able to get away from his defender. Six minutes and 16 on the clock. As we take a glance at the fans inside the Pampanga State University, they have occupied every space here at this venue in anticipation of this ball game. Definitely most of them want to see a Tikas Kapampangan celebration, but there's a couple of Tikas, or excuse me, there's a couple of Kamsur fans who made the trip here in Bacolor. So again, we thank you for watching us here in Game 5. This series, it will go down to the finish.
number 7, Edwin Ariete. That's his third foul.
So,
And that's
Ariete
the
with a foul.
15th foul for
No
Council
goaltend.
Express.
After the review, as we take a look at one more time, Gomez with a drive.
Renier Gomez.
And looks like the ball was on its way up. So good call by the referee, but Gomez misses the free throw. Ticas down by 2 points. Again, a look at the fans of the Camsor Express. Gomez, no go. Offensive rebound by Bragais. And Bragais will reset. Fresh 14 for Ticas. Lancer Can against Sablaon. The drive, kick out, Ganya. Another pass. Santos against Ariate. Short pass, Can, no go. And Camsor will set up a play. Sablaon to Abonete. Passes it to Almario. The lob inside. And the finish. Alley-oop play to Abonete. And Camsor now up by 4. Can. Ticas looking to respond. Can. Outside to Ganya. Bragais has it. 3 to shoot. Bragais for 3, air ball. And Camsor now with the possession.
Last third 11 coming in for Renier Gomez.
Watch this play. The lob by Almario, perfectly timed by John Abonete. Camsor looking to extend the lead on the road. Almario approaching the 5-minute mark of Game 5. Ariate wants the screen. 3-point shot by Ariate. He knocks down the three. And Camsor has increased the lead to 7 points. Medwin Ariate from downtown. And again, Ariate, the hero of their semi-final series against Taguig, knocking down an important three here in Game 5. Watch it again, a high looping 3 by Medwin Ariate, and Camsor now with a 7-point lead. We will take a short break. Back to the action here at the Pampanga State University. The road team, the Camsor Express, up by 7 points. Look at the fans as we see this 3-point shot by Medwin Ariate, a high looping 3 to give Camsor a 7-point lead. And look at the reaction of Ariate. Look at his numbers as well, 15 points and 6 assists for Medwin Ariate. Now Ticas looking to answer. You can hear the defense chants. That's from the Camsor fans. They go inside, turnover by Bragais. Camsor gets it back. Every possession now crucial for both teams. Almario against Bragais. He loses it. And here's Bragais. Bragais to the goal. Bragais is hacked. Foul on Ariate.
Team foul number 7, Edwin Ariete, fourth.
Fourth foul on Ariate. And that's going to be 2 free throws for Genmar Bragais.
Bragais.
First free throw by Bragais is short. Again, every possession now counts for both teams. We are now in the pressure cooker of Game 5. Bragais nails that free throw, stopping that brief 5-0 run by Camsor. And Manalang with a steal. The drop pass. Santos for 2. And Ticas sa Kapampangan able to score quickly. Down to a 4-point lead. Abonete. Santos to beat. And Camsur gets an opportunity as Almario scoring on the running shot. 6-point game. Closing in on 4 minutes. Here in game 5, Santos fakes the 3, hands it off to Can. Can with this drive against Sablaon. No go on the layup. And Habonete clears. Vincent Malyape has it. Ariate setting a play for Camsur. Habonete to Almario. Shot clock at 9. Almario being pressured by Bragais. Almario outside. Bad pass.
Battle Panthers.
Tikas gets another opportunity. They are trailing by 6 points. Manalang delivers the ball into their front court. Being guarded by Ariate. Crossover by Manalang. The drive inside. Overshoots it. Camsur with the rebound. And now Ariate will set things up for Camsur. Tikas missing on their shots late in this ball game. Magpantay against Bragais. 10 on the shot clock. Habonete against Santos. Habonete fires this 3-point shot. Overshoots it. And a steal by Camsur. And a counter. Can on the attack. He falls down. And now Manalang loses it. Ariate. Tikas careless at the ball. Here's Sablaon. Short. And here comes Tikas. Wild sequence here. Manalang outside to Bragais. The guys will set things up for Tikas. They trail by 6. Bragais attacks. Kicks it out. Manalang wide open. For 3. And now Tikas down by 3 after that huge 3 by Manalang. Listen to the fans. Habonete loses it. It's going to be Camsur ball with 5 on the shot clock. And Bragais wants Coach Jeff Chan to challenge that call. And they will challenge that out-of-bounds call.
On the last out-of-bounds play.
Crucial moments here in Game 5. 2 minutes and 9 seconds. A crucial challenge. Coach Jeff Chan challenging that last call. Referee saying that it's Camsur ball with 5 on the shot clock, and they are challenging it. They are reviewing it. Again, 2 minutes and 9 on the clock. Tikas Kapampangan still fighting back after trailing by 7, 77-70. And again, Tikas back in this game following those crucial shots. Manalang draining that 3-pointer from the left corner to slice the gap. Our game officials checking that out-of-bounds play. The call was Camsur ball. Again, we are back here at the Pampanga State University gym for this contest. Game 5. The winner-take-all clash here in the NBL President's Cup. Again, a long review by our game officials. Both teams taking advantage of the lull, talking things over here with 2 minutes and 9 seconds left. And again, if Camsur gets this possession, they will have 5.4 on the shot clock. Referee is trying to make sure to get the call right. We will listen in.
As reviewed from the replay center, the challenge made by Tikas was unsuccessful. Last touch on Miko Santos.
So an unsuccessful challenge. The ball was last touched by Miko Santos. Let's watch it again.
0.4 seconds.
The drive by Jabonete, and then he will kick this ball out.
To shoot.
And from that angle, looks like it was indeed swiped by Santos. So based from that, no one touched it. So there was a prior touch. Bragais did not touch the ball, but prior to that, it was Santos who had the last touch. So now we have 5 on the shot clock. Ariate will inbound. Magpantay. 3 to shoot. Magpantay pulls up. It bounces out. Long rebound, and it's going to be Cam Sur ball. So Kamsor gets the ball back. 2 minutes and 1 second. Referee talking to Jabonete and Victoria. Fresh 14 for Kamsor. Magpantay, handoff. Almario sees an open lane. The floater is short. Battle for the rebound. And Kamsur again with offensive rebound. Another chance for Kamsur to extend the lead. 5 on the shot clock. Borbe has it. 2 to shoot. Borbe from the outside. And the rebound by Ganya. And there's a push. And it's going to be 2 free throws, I believe. Kamsur with a foul.
Foul number 7, Medwin Ariate, penalty.
The foul is on Ariate. And that will send Tikas to the line. Watch the play. Borbe with a 3 with a shot clock winding down. And then look at Ganya. And then Ariate with a push. This will send Ganya to the line. And looks like Ganya will take a free 3. This is a free 3. If he scores this one, it is going to be a tied ball game, and we have seen Ganya hit his free 3s. Crucial call here. Ganya will opt for a free 3 to tie the ball game up. Ganya, free 3 is good. We are tied. Kamsur looking to answer. Magpantay has it. Crosses the timeline. He falls down. But there's a foul. There's going to be a foul on Tikas.
Jasper Manala with 7 foul.
Foul on Jasper Manalang. Watch this free 3. A brave free 3 by CJ Ganya, the former NBL MVP. And you can hear the chance of defense coming from this Pampanga crowd. Ariate has it. Guarded by Manalang. 10 on the shot clock. They go to Jabonete. Pass. Almario wide open. For 3! Kamsur with a huge one. As Jerome Almario knocks down a 3 to break the tie. Can looking to answer. No go. And Jabonete with the rebound. Kamsur has it. Here's Ariate. Double teamed. Ariate, 8-second violation. Turnover for Kamsur with 60 seconds left. Look at this play. The last second pass by Jabonete and Almario, who again did not play in the game in game 4, knocking down that tray. But Tikas with the ball. 3-point lead for the Express. Ticas can still tie this game with a 3. And magpantay with a steal. The forward pass taken right back by Victoria. This is for the tie. Too strong. And Borbe with the rebound. And a turnover. A turnover for Ticas. They will review. 45.9 seconds remaining. Coach Momomoto on your screen in search of his first crown here in the NBL. Kamsur has not won the NBL title since the start of this league when it was born in 2018. And Kamsur, one of the pioneer teams, can win the championship if they can hang on to the lead. But Ticas still a lot of time on the clock. Kamsur on your screen. 45.9 seconds. They are reviewing that call. They are reviewing that last out-of-bounds play. It is going to be Ticas ball. Ticas ball with 45.9 seconds. So we will have 14 on the shot clock. Ticas will inbound it across their bench. As we watch that slow-mo, the battle for that ball, Borbe had it. And then that pass, and based from that, no one touched it from the side of Ticas. 3-point lead by Kamsur. Manalang will inbound with 45 seconds. The ball goes to Bragais. Bragais one-on-one against Almario. Bragais still has it. Fade away, 3-point shot, does not fall. Battle for the rebound, the tip won't work. Kamsur has it, and there is going to be a foul on Ticas with 33 seconds remaining.
Foul number 18, Renzo Victoria, penalty, big foul.
Foul on Renzo Victoria as we watch the fadeaway. That was a tough three by Genmar Bragais, and then the crucial rebound by Ariate. And now Ariate have a chance to increase this lead. 33.7 seconds. Ariate first free throw, it goes in. Kamsur now has a 4-point lead. Ariate, the second free throw, no go. And Bragais secures the rebound. Ticas still has a chance. Bragais attacks, kicks it out. Can for three. Lancer Can. The lead is down to 1 with 24 seconds left. And Kamsur has called for this timeout. Ticas still very much alive here in Game 5. Lancer Can with that brave attempt from the right wing. Watch it again. Bragais with the ball and then dishing it out to Lancer Can. Contested three and he knocks that one home. And Ticas still very much alive here in Game 5. Look at this three. Contested three by Verman. Magpantay but Can finding a way to knock it down. And we have a ball game once again. 1-point lead by Kamsur. They have the ball with 24.2 seconds. There's going to be 0.2 differential between the clocks. And that is if Kamsur opts to inbound at the backcourt. Now, if Kamsur chooses to inbound it at the half-court line, it's going to be 14 seconds. There's going to be a difference between the clocks. Tikas can actually choose not to foul in this possession if Kamsur inbounds it at the half court, as we see the fans. As we first watch this, Lancer Khan, look at his numbers, 14 points, 2 assists, and 3 steals. Lancer Khan looking to give Tikas this championship despite trailing. Khan had that huge 3 to cut the lead to 1, and they will inbound it at the backcourt, so it's going to be 24 seconds on the shot clock. So Tikas has to foul here. Almario the inbounder, passes it to Ariate. Ariate escapes the defense, bounce pass, Sablaon, Abonete, no foul. They go to the corner, magpantay. Clock winding down, Almario still has the ball. Coach Jeff Chan wants a foul. And there's the foul. Almario will shoot a pair with 7 seconds left. Coach Jeff Chan visibly frustrated with what happened there. Clock winded down.
The penalty, big foul on Lancer Khan.
And now there's going to be 2 shots for Kamsur. Watch it again. Almario looking to escape. And finally the foul by Lancer Khan with 7.5 seconds. Still a lot of time, but again the frustration on the face of Jeff Chan. He wanted the foul earlier. And now Almario, again, he did not play in game 4. But now looks like he is going to be a hero for Kamsur if he knocks down these free throws. No good in the first. 7.5 seconds. Tikas still has a timeout. Again, 7.5 on the clock. Almario looking to make it a 2-point game. Almario hearing it from this crowd. He knocks it down. And Coach Jeff Chan has requested for a timeout with 7.5 seconds left. Could be the last possession of our conference. Seconds again. Tikas. And again, a look at the fans from the Kamsur side in support of their team. And again, Kamsur has not won an NBL crown since being part of the league in 2018. Tikas fans praying for their team to score one more time here in the 4th quarter. And again, the fans have come out to support their team. Definitely expecting a championship here, but Kamsur really fighting their way. And again, Kamsur, they need one last stop here. And again, Kamsur with an 84-82 lead thanks to Jerome Almario. A heroic effort for Jerome Almario. 16 points, 7 rebounds, 7 assists, and 2 steals, including that clutch 3 in the final seconds of this Game 5 to give them the lead. But this game is not yet over. Tikas can go for the 2, but definitely, if there's a wide open man from threes, they can definitely take a 3-point shot and win it outright. But guys will inbound it in front of their bench. Shot clock is off. 7.5 on the clock. Braga is the inbounder. Passes it to Victoria. Victoria with 5 on the clock. Bragais still with the ball. Can for the championship. Too strong. Bragais throws it up. It's over. It's over. It's over. For the first time, Kamsur, an NBL champion. The Express have won it on the road.
2025 season, President's Cup champions,
Again, for the first time ever here in the NBL, since being one of the pioneer teams in 2018, the Kamsur Express have finally won it all.